exactly 57 minutes I made all of this. 82,000 CP plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 DB scrolls, which is 2,150 CP each. Dragon Ball 215 CP, and refinery packs, which can get you a lot of CP. And exactly 57 minutes from I started. Yes, sir. That's